Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my industrial safety and awareness program. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashivan. Last so many days I used to come here and giving you the safety oriented subjects. First 10 video I have given you on general safety awareness, then again 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness, again another 20 videos on electrical safety awareness program. Now we have come to an industrial safety and awareness program. Already I have given 25th video on last class. So today is my 26th video. So last class what I have discussed is that what is an ergonomic hazards? What are the ergonomics type? Right? What is ergonomics means workload? These things I have already explained in last class. So today we are going to teach on a new subject. What is the new subject? Before going the subject, I just want to repeat it again that this is a continuous educational training program. Just it should be useful for not only those working in industry but also other area also they can take the advantage of these classes, because these are the basic fundamentals which we have to know around our area. What are the type of hazards, how many hazards are there, and if you are want to prepare an exam also, that will be helpful for you. On that basis only I am just coming and sharing my knowledge to all of you. And this is a continuous education system. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I used to come here and giving you the classes. Okay, so let us go to the subject. Now, what is biological hazards? Biological. Well, we know that what is a biology and what are the hazards is there. Biological hazard is the substance that threat of our living organism, not including our human life. Well, this is a biological hazard is a threat that is giving a threat to our living organism. So when we are talking about the biological hazards, we can divide into two categories. What is that is? One is called macrobiology, the another is called microbiology. Macrobiology means the things which are harmful to us due to our day-to-day life, as a what are the things which you are feeling physically in your eye. As an example, like these hazards of animals and also on rat, fungi, flies and other thing, which is getting contaminating our foods, rats and other thing. You may be knowing that. Similarly, cockroach, all these things which we can easily see in our eye. Such type of biological hazards are known as, we can say that macrobiology hazards. There are another thing which we are not able to see in our naked eye. That is known as microbiology. Example is there bacteria and virus, fungi. This thing can cause us a damage. We are not seeing it here, but that can cause us problems with our body, which can cause us some diseases and other things. So these two things are generally we are broadly dividing two types. Now, what are the problems which we are arising? As you know that the macrobiology problems, we know it because we can see the things which are causing that harmful to us. That creature or that living things we can find out and we can avoid it, that or by the killing or any other thing we can use it. There are second category which is not directly seeing in our eyes, that is giving an infection, some diseases is forming there. So what are the problems? This can in problems with the infection, some allergy will be there because of the complete this inhaling, which allergy problem, and also some poisons, food poisons, etc. You must have heard about it. Say, because of this indirect, that a microbiological substance which can cause very dangerous thing and harmful to us in our day-to-day life. So how this is entering in our body? There are three methods. What are the three methods? That also you know it. Inhalation. When you are inhaling some bad weather or a bad type of things, that may be getting in our body, creating some allergical problem. and that will be even some breathing problems, etc. can also occur there. Then another one is injection, why we are drinking or eating some type of things that may enter in our body, and that can cause a diarrhea and such type of vomiting, such things also happening. And next one is skin. Through the skin, when it is entering there, skin allergy is there, and also because of this allergy, so much is always irritating, itching, such type of problems are also occurring. So these are the mainly three ways. The another way is also there, that is optical. Optical way means through eyes also it can enter there. So like this way, these microbiological substances are very harmful to us. So that can enter in our body and cause many harmful things. So one of the main things which we are talking about is food. The whatever day-to-day food which we are taking, it should be harmful from this microbiological things. So how we can do means, this is, we have to keep it in a certain degree centigrade. Either it should be this bacteria can grow the temperature in between 5 to 60 degrees centigrades. Normally we are taking the food in that temperature only. So whenever you want to keep such a food in such a temperature, you should avoid it. So either it should be below 5 degree or it should be above 60 degrees centigrade, so that all this living bacteria and organisms can get spoiled in this, that will not enter in this one. So that is the one of the important things we have to keep it in while preparing food or taking the food or keeping the food for a longer time. Next another one is this industrial, this type of things which how it can be means, another idea is the HACCP. HACCP is an agency that is controlling the food points. Hazards control critical points we have to identify. That points is that is which I was telling, that in between 5 degree to 60 degrees centigrade we should avoid keeping all these things, food items and other thing. So that is another important thing. Then you may be asking, these are coming in our food purpose only, then what is in our industries there? Industries also problem is there. Industry cooling tower is there. Similarly, industry some water circulation area is there. So many places this bacteria can grow there, and also in the canteens and other thing, waste, industrial waste, whenever there is also bacteria and infections can be disease there. So industries waste also such type of bacteria can be grow there, and there can be causes problem with us. Then what are the control methods is there? How we can control these things? We have to substitute some methods. Substitution, like in the other classes what we have told you. If some method is there, that method, instead of that thing, we find out some other method, so that bacteria and infections that can be avoided there. Next one is some engineering controls method. That is what I have just discussed you in the food which we are keeping. Instead of from 5 to 60 degrees centigrade, it should be either above 60 degrees centigrade or below 5 degrees centigrade. That way if you are keeping, that is some type of temperature control methods we are using, so that food items we can have a good control with this one. Next one is some type of PPEs when we are using handling with the, because when we are contaminating with our hand and other thing taking, there may be a chance for contamination with our body. In order to avoid that thing, all the required PPE like this hand gloves, and also the small type of a hat or any other thing we have to use in the hat, so otherwise hair may enter there. Like this type of thing, the appropriate PPE should be used in a proper way. That way we can also eliminate it. So these are the some basic ideas about the biological hazards. Biological, I am just repeating it again, just concluding that one. Biological hazard is the substance that may be threatening to our living organism, including our human life. There are two types of biological type of hazards. One is called microbiology hazard, which is mainly caused to the living things which we can see in our naked eye, like rats, cockroaches, flies, etc. Then microbiology hazards, these are not we can see in our naked eye. Such things are virus, bacteria, and also the fungi. These are the things which is for the microbiological hazard. This how it is entering is infection method. One is inhalation method, infection, and also allergy. Also we can give how poisons also there, poisonous entry is also there. So it should be avoided, but mainly with the food items which we have to control it in a normal in a temperature either below 5 degrees centigrade or in the above 60 degrees centigrade. These are the way we have to control the food items which before we are daily using, we are taking the food. Then the control method is HACCP that I already explained. Then what are the other methods? Also substitution and also the engineering control method and appropriate PPE. Hope that you got a little bit idea about the this biological hazards and how we are going to control it. Okay, wishing you all of you a good day, and a good day means happy, healthy, and safe day. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks.